For enjoying the colors of winter flowers, proper seasoning and a powerful fertilizer are extremely helpful to get most out of our plants. In this video, we are going to talk all about the fertilization of winter season flowers. We will make an organic fertilizer and also see how we can use this fertilizer correctly on our plants. So let's start, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First of all, it is important to know exactly what type of fertilizer do winter flowers like. As every plant have different type of requirements, similarly the winter flowering plants likes a nutrients-enriched fertilizer, containing a nice combination of NPK and other trace elements. And it will be better if you include an acidic ingredient in it, so they comes up with more buds and flowers. As we are talking about winter flowering plants, there are so many of them, but the 10 easy ones are added in the description box video, check out if you don't know about them. You can get an ideal fertilizer for your winter flowers either from the market, or you can make it at home. A ready-to-use fertilizer is added in the description box to buy, but for making a homemade fertilizer that works much better than the market-bought fertilizer, we are going to use a few organic ingredients. The first and the major ingredient in our fertilizer is the compost. Homemade compost works much better than market ones. It's not that difficult to make compost. A proper guide is linked in the description box. Otherwise you can buy that as well. Compost have so many nutrients, helpful microbes and soil-enhancing abilities. It works really well to feed flowering plants. It also makes the soil a little acidic, that is most focused target in our fertilizer. The next ingredient in our winter flowers fertilizer are the banana peels. The fresh banana peels are not suitable to use. You can dry them in the sun for a few days and when they get blackish, you can crush them in pieces. Banana peels have lots of benefits. It promotes buds and flowers on the plant and improve the size and color of your winter flowers. Banana peels also have calcium that prevents black spots of leaves, and hence your plant keeps its growth continue. Overall, banana peels have many benefits, so start using them, but try to use them in dried forms. The another growth boosting ingredient in our fertilizer is the cow dung compost. It is a high-dose fertilizer and works amazing for the winter flowers and vegetables. A detailed video on only its benefits is added in the description box. Must check it out to know more about its benefits. For now, you can use it to promote the leafy growth on the plant. At the seedling stage, cow dung helps your winter flowering plants very much. You can use that alone as well. But remember, you have to use it in right dosage, for which about we will talk in a while. The last ingredient in our fertilizer for winter flowers is the mustard cake powder. The liquid fertilizer of mustard cake is very much known to promote flowers, but you can use its powdered form as well. It releases its benefits slowly and lasts long. You can also use it solo, but this combination will give you even better results, so keep following. So these are the ingredients, all of them are added in the description box. You can buy them if you can't find them. Follow up the proper ratios and mix them all evenly. The right method to use this powerful fertilizer still matter more than all of this. So let's talk about that. You can use this organic fertilizer by digging the upper layer of soil. Let it dry if it's moist. Add a dose of this fertilizer that depends upon the plant age and container size. A little up and down is okay, but don't go much far. Frequent watering after fertilizing helps in better and faster absorption. Repeat this same process every 10 days for more efficient results. Try to use this fertilizer in the growing season, because at this stage the plant needs more and more nutrition to bloom well. You can use this on all type of low to moderate feeder winter flowers, and as well as heavy feeder winter flowering plants. Just increase the dose a little for heavy feeders like roses, dahlias, ranunculus, etc. But it is still undoubtable that it is a slow release fertilizer. And to get faster cure for your leaf problems, you should use another fertilizer, that is compost tea liquid. It is very easy to make and apply. Check out a detailed video here.